Okay, I found the link. The leak is just to the right underneath of this unit. Back behind this black pipe or hose. If you see in between the yellow water hose and this other black hose, there's a drip way back there coming off of this black box. As you can see, it gathers underneath, and there must be air coming back through there because you're getting some bubbling. It's a pretty steady drip. I have the humidifier turned all the way down, but it leaks pretty good. Okay, I've lifted the hose. You can see right back there is where the leak is running down, at least. Where it's coming from, I'm not sure. Somewhere on there. Okay, I lift up the hose. You can see it's drip a little bit better now, where it's coming down. Dripping down there and it's gathering underneath. I'm not sure where it's running off into, but it's got to be going somewhere.